Yeah. God bless you. You know we've been through 2024. We're still good. Listen. Call me the least likely, but God like me. I've been through crisis, but now I see clearly. No fleeing and no worry. Orderly, I'm coming out. Every mess and every test. Through the Red Sea, yeah, I'm still staying blessed. No stress on my blessing. Let me tell you, it's a lesson. Never been a zero. In this matrix, I know Neo. Call me a good pharaoh, cause I'm trying to let you go to the promised land. Let's go, let's go. I've been reading through these books, Genesis to Revelation. I stay hooked, yeah, I'm hooked. This ain't no prophetic. This is a simple message. Get your life right, get yourself right. He be calling, he be calling. Are you answering tonight? Are you the son of Cain or you the son of God? Amen. I'm not running from nobody. Except Jezebel and Potiphars' wife, I ain't sorry. Tell that devil you better hurry, cause your time's soon done. Tick, 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 tock. Tick, tick, tock, cause your time's soon done. Tick, 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 tock. Tick, tick, tock, cause your time's soon done. Tell the devil you better hurry, cause I'm coming out this mess, yeah, my time's soon done. Tick, 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 tock. Tick, tick, tock. Every problem in my life, I'm telling you, your time's soon done. Tick, 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 tock.